In a move that has sent ripples throughout the cryptocurrency world, the guiding and establishing national innovation for U.S. stablecoins. In this video, we'll be discussing the key provisions of this landmark legislation and shedding light on how it's going to reshape the future of stablecoins and the crypto industry as a whole. Also known as the Genius Act, has officially been signed into law. The Genius Act introduces new reporting requirements for stablecoin transactions. This comprehensive approach ensures that all aspects of stablecoin operations are scrutinized, from the initial coin offering to ongoing market conduct. There is a growing concern about the potential impact on decentralized finance, or DeFi, a sector that is largely operated without such tight controls. Some worry that the rigid guidelines imposed by the Genius Act could stifle the growth of DeFi. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency regulation, blockchain technology, and the future of finance. Stay updated with the latest industry news and expert analysis by following us on social media. And for more in-depth research and analysis, visit our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hindering the development of innovative financial products and services. State regulators will have the authority to examine stablecoin issuers within their jurisdictions, while federal regulators will oversee interstate stablecoin activities. This collaborative system aims to create a level playing field, protecting consumers and fostering responsible innovation, aiming to combat illicit activities such as money laundering and terrorist financing. While some argue that these measures could stifle innovation, proponents counter that the enhanced stability and transparency will foster trust, making stablecoins a more viable option for everyday transactions. This legislation marks a pivotal moment, transforming the way cryptocurrencies are regulated within the United States and establishing a clear roadmap for stablecoin issuers to gain regulatory approval. But with this new law comes a wave of changes that will significantly impact not only stablecoins, but the broader crypto market as well. One-to-one reserve mandates and robust auditing measures. The legislation aims to enhance stability, transparency, and consumer protection within the crypto market. As the dust settles on this new law, the industry's focus will likely shift to navigating these regulations while continuing to innovate. Striking a balance between compliance and creativity will be key for stablecoin issuers and other crypto businesses as they look to thrive in this evolving legal landscape. At the core of the Genius Act is a provision that opens the door for a wider range of entities to become authorized stablecoin issuers. Previously, only certain entities like banks were permitted to issue stablecoins that are pegged to the US dollar. But now the legislation broadens this scope, allowing a variety of financial institutions, including credit unions, savings associations, and even fintech companies, to step into the arena. However, it's not a free-for-all. The law introduces stringent requirements ensuring that only those deemed trustworthy and capable are granted this privilege. This shift aims to increase competition, innovation, and consumer choice in the stablecoin market. But the real question is, how will these new players navigate the regulatory landscape? That's where the most talked about aspect of the Genius Act comes into play, the one-to-one reserve requirement. This means that for every stablecoin issued, an equivalent amount of US dollars or other fiat currency must be held in reserve. This provision is designed to safeguard the value of stablecoins, mitigating the risk of runs and ensuring that users can always redeem their tokens for their full monetary value. To enforce this, the law mandates daily attestations and reserve audits, providing transparency and accountability to the public. But the regulations don't stop there. Another crucial aspect of the legislation is the introduction of a federal and state regulatory framework specifically tailored for stablecoin issuers. However, amidst the flurry of regulatory changes, in conclusion, the Genius Act marks a significant step towards regulating stablecoins in the United States. By introducing a comprehensive framework that includes licensing requirements, if you found this video informative,